And let me record and let me share the screen from my side. Okay. Right. Okay. So in case, okay, in case if you don't have differential backup chain, okay, you can restore the last full backup so that you are going to get the data till night 12 o'clock. Then you can restore all the log backups, all 13 log backups. Why? Because I told you log backup will depends on the previous log backup. So it's a chain. So it's not like differential backup. So you have to restore all the log backups after the full backup. Okay. You have to restore all the log backups after full backup, right? So in case if you have, okay, if you have this particular differential backup concept, then you can restore, okay, the last full backup. And Anil, Vishnu, you can record and you can restore the last full backup, and you can restore the latest differential backup, okay, and you can restore the 1 o'clock log backup, so that you are going to get the data till 1 o'clock only. In case if someone deleted the data, important data at 1:30, or else if someone did, say for example, if someone deleted the data at 1:30, imagine, okay, so people are saying, can I use the 2 o'clock log backup? Okay, how can you use the 2 o'clock log backup? If someone deleted the delete transaction, the same transaction will be there in the 2 o'clock log backup, right? If the record is deleted by 1:30, whatever the state till 1:59 seconds, okay, imagine you have 100 records are there by 1:30. Someone deleted 10 records at 1:31. Again at 2 o'clock log backup, how many records you are going to get? If you took the 2 o'clock log backup, how many records you are going to get? Up to 1:30 we have 100 records. At 1:31 someone deleted 10 records. Now you just took the full backup at 2 o'clock. How many records will be there? How many records will be
90,
there? 90 records
90
will be there.
records,
What is
90
there to
records is
think?
there.
90 records will be
10
there.
R is, yeah, 10 R is
Yes.
deleted.
Committed, in case if they are committed, if all 10 transactions are committed transactions, those permanently deleted. Okay,
Deleted.
right? So how many records will be there? Usually 90 records will be there. So 2 o'clock log backup it won't use, okay. So whatever changes are there since 1 to 2, those will be covered in the 2 o'clock log backup, right? So you cannot use the 2 o'clock log backup if disaster happened, or else if someone deleted the records. You cannot use 2 o'clock log backup. You can use the log backups that are good status, good state is up to 1 o'clock only. Okay, you can restore up to 1 o'clock. Then what about this 30 minutes data that we can achieve using tail log backup? Okay, so tail log backup will take the tail log backup usually once the data, we are not going to take the tail log backup very regularly. If the database is corrupted, then only we are going to take the tail log backup. So when you have to take the tail log backup means whenever the database is corrupted, okay, immediately you have to take the tail log backup. Imagine your database is corrupted at 1:35. Okay, so immediately the first action you have to do is take the tail log backup. Okay, then what you have to do is while restoring, you have to restore full backup, you have to restore the latest differential backup, you have to restore the log backup, so that you will get the data till 1 o'clock. And in case if your database is corrupted at 1:35, as you will take the log tail log backup, right? Tail log backup is different, log backup is transaction, log backup is different. Okay, you will take the tail log backup, so that 35 minutes data will be covered in the tail log backup, so you can restore all combinations like full differential log and tail log backup will give you the data till the database. Okay, point in time, this is called point in time recovery. Okay, point in time recovery means recovering your database before its corruption. Okay, till the time, see, if your database is corrupted at 2 o'clock, what is the best possible time you can achieve? You cannot achieve till 2. Why? Because it was corrupted at 2 o'clock. So what is the best possible time we can achieve is 1:59 minutes 59 seconds. So recovering the database till the latest possibility is called like your in point in time recovery. So in this case, how can we achieve it? So we can achieve using tail log backup. So is it clear? In case if you have differential backups, we are going to use the latest differential backup, and whatever log backups are there after differential backup, we are going to use it. Okay, in case if you don't have differential backup strategy, then we have to restore the full backup, all the log backups. Okay, and the last finally tail log backup you have to restore. In the middle of the backups, if someone is deleted, okay, one log backup or one log backup is corrupted, okay, you cannot make use of that particular other log backups. So if this is like around, imagine this is 7 o'clock, 9 o'clock. If 9 o'clock log backup is corrupted, you can restore the database till 8 o'clock only. You cannot make use of other log backups, even though other log backups are good in state. But if one is corrupted, as LSN mismatch will occur, so that you cannot restore the database once the database log file is corrupted, or else like once that particular log backup is deleted by someone. Is it clear? Log backup?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Okay.
I have a doubt, sir.
Yes.
Sir, whenever in the middle of the between log file will be deleted unknowingly, then in that deletion on time onwards, can we use tail log backup for recovery data? That
You first of all, okay, be clear. Log file is different. Log backup is different.
I'm saying log file will be deleted at like
Log file or log backup?
log backup. Sir.
Okay, why? Because we have log file also, data file and log file. Okay,
Yes.
and log backup will take
MDF.
the backup of, yeah, log backup
Yeah.
will take the backup of only log files. It won't touch the data file. Okay, log backup will take the backup of only log file. Now tell me, if the log backup is deleted,
Then can we recover from the tail log backup?
so in case if that is happened, okay, that is not
Okay.
possible. Again, tail log backup is also one kind of log backup only. Okay, you can take the tail log backup, that but the problem here is the log backup got deleted. Okay, so you cannot restore the tail log backup also in such case.
Okay.
Got it? Even though in the middle of the backup strategy, if someone deleted the log backup, can we
Yes.
achieve with the tail log backup? No, we cannot achieve.
Yes.
Why? Because that log backup is deleted. Even tail log backup wants to restore, it will search for the deleted log backup only.
Okay.
Okay, so if it is restored, then only tail log backup will be restored. Otherwise, even though you took tail log backup, you cannot make use of that particular. In such scenario, you cannot do anything, guys. In such scenario, if log backup is deleted in the middle of the strategy, there is no way to fix the issue. If the database is good, again you have to take the full backup. Otherwise, you have to accept the data loss. There is no other way now.
But most important is the transaction log backup, sir.
Yes. Okay. Yes. Okay. Any issues, any doubts in this? Right. I'll give you the same strategy now weekly. Okay. Every week. This is very important. That's why I'm concentrating this much. Okay. Every week, Sunday full backup, Sunday full backup. Okay. At 3 a.m. Okay. Every day differential backup at 10 p.m. Okay. And every 15 minutes log backup. Log backup. Okay, every 15 minutes log backup. My database is corrupted. Okay, at Saturday evening 5:30. Okay, Saturday 5:30 p.m. my database is corrupted. Now tell me. Okay, now tell me. I need answers from everyone. Just type in the chat. I need answers from everyone. Okay, now tell me how you can recover what and all backups I have to use to restore the database. Take time. I'll give 2 minutes time. Okay, type in the chat. I need answers from everyone. Don't copy paste from the okay others answers and all. Just try your own, not an issue. Okay, so it is wrong also, not a problem. Everyone is waiting or what? Who will type first? Huh? Got the scenario, right? Every Sunday full backup at 3 a.m. Every day differential backup at 10 p.m. Every 15 minutes log backup. Database is corrupted Saturday evening 5:30 p.m. How many backups with the differential backup? How many backups without log backups? I need the answer. Last Sunday full backup, last Friday differential backup from 10 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. log backups. Okay. Any other answers? Now tell me without differential backup also, Karthik. I don't have differential backup strategy. I have only full and log backup strategy. How many backups? I'm not getting responses from anyone. Only Karthik replied. So everyone is calculating or like busy, or you don't understand the concept. Last full backup, last Friday backups, all log backups after differential backup. Okay. One full backup. Aram, we just stopped at full backup only.
Writing, sir. Writing, sir.
Okay, okay. Last Sunday full backup and from 3 a.m. Sunday to till Saturday 5:30 p.m. log backup. So okay, that's fine. Yeah, okay. One full backup on Saturday 5:15 p.m. log backup. Okay. Honey,
Yeah, I'm checking now.
okay, okay, that's
Yeah.
fine. Geeta, Priya, Vishnu, Guru,
Writing, sir.
Guru Prasad.
Sir, should we say answer with the differential backup or without
Yes,
differential
both.
backup?
I
sir?
need answers both with differential, without differential.
Both.
Yeah. One full backup on Friday 10 p.m. Differential backup and from Friday 10 p.m. to Saturday 5:15 all log backups. On full backup, differential backup on Friday 10 p.m. Friday 10 p.m. to 5:15 log backup, 5:16 to 5:29 tail log backup.
One full log backup and 58 log backups.
Oh, you are calculating counting. Okay. One full backup and
Because you said the log backups are happening every after 15 minutes.
mhm,
So so in 1 hour it would be 4 times the log
mhm,
file.
mhm.
So if it's the corruption happened at 5:30 p.m. So until then, we have a number of how many hours we have. I just multiplied it with 4 because an hour
Honey,
we are getting.
honey, this is the backup strategy. This is the backup strategy. Sunday full
Yeah.
backup, every day differential backup, every 15 minutes log backup. Okay. This is weekly,
Yeah.
not daily strategy. Okay. Every Sunday full backup, every day differential backup, every 15 minutes log backup. My database is corrupted on Saturday evening 5:30. Now tell me how many full, how many differential, how many log backups are needed.
Okay.
I guess you are thinking like daily full backup, not daily
Yeah,
full
I'm
backup.
just, yeah, that was, I did it for
Not
daily.
daily. Yeah, not daily full backup.
Yeah,
Every
right.
weekly full backup, every day differential backup, every 15 minutes log backup. With the differential Friday diff backup, log backup, 5:15 without differential, one full backup, one Sunday onwards. Let me check this answer. What is this? The Parameshwar Reddy. Okay. The differential Friday differential backup, log backup at 5:15 without differential, one full backup from Friday. From Sunday onwards and Saturday 5:15 p.m. Okay, without differential backup, one full backup. Okay. So I never get the responses from Geeta Priya. I don't know what is your problem. Are you still typing or you don't want to type? You are not interested to answer, Geeta Priya and some other guys. Vishnu tried, Karthik tried, Guru Prasad. I didn't receive updates from you as well, right? Parameshwar Reddy, Guru Prasad. Okay. Okay, fine. Okay. Differential backup up to Thursday PM, 10 PM and one full backup up to Sunday. Right. Okay. So, yes, most of you are correct. Okay. Most of you are correct. And the answer is okay. One Sunday full backup loss even if we go with the log backups, Sunday full backup, one full backup. Okay.
Sir.
Yes.
Answer,
Yes.
please tell me. Like with
Yeah.
differential
Yes.
backup,
Yes.
without
Yes.
differential
Yes.
backup,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, Param. Yes, Param. Okay. Okay, so with the differential backup, if we go with the differential backup, one full backup, okay, and one one recent differential backup, okay, that is this is Sunday full backup, right? Sunday
Friday
full
night, sir.
backup. This is Sunday full backup, and this is Friday
Friday.
night differential backup, okay? Friday night differential backup, and whatever log backups are there after Friday 10 p.m. Whatever log backups are there, all the log backups means 10:15 onwards. Okay, after Friday differential backup after Friday 10 p.m. Whatever log backups are there till 5:15. Why? Because 5:30 database is corrupted. Till 5:15 you can take the log backups. Okay, 5:15, and from 5:15 to okay 5:29 seconds. Okay, you can use tail log backup. Okay, only one mentioned tail log backup in the chart. I guess it is with Vishnu, I guess, right? So no other people are mentioned tail log backup. Okay, fine. Vishnu, yeah. Vishnu mentioned about the tail log backups, right? So from one full backup, one recent differential backup, that is Friday night differential backup. After Friday night differential backup, after Friday night 10 p.m. to Saturday evening 5:15 log backups, then 5:15 to 5:29 tail log backup you have to use. Okay. If you don't have differential backup, one full backup, okay, and if you don't have differential backup strategy, every day 96 log backups are going to be generated. Okay, every day 96 log backups. Why? Because every 4 hours, every 1 hour 4 log backups, 24 hours 24 fours are 96 log backups per day, 96. Okay, till Saturday. Okay, you can calculate how many are there. Okay, like 96 means, if you want to calculate exactly, I'll tell you like this. Okay, Sunday 3 p.m. 3 a.m. right, your full backup. Sunday 3 a.m. to Monday 3 a.m. 96. Monday 3 a.m. to Tuesday 3 a.m. 96. Okay, 96. Let me open calculator. Sunday to Monday 96, Monday to Tuesday 96. Okay, Tuesday to Wednesday 96, Thursday 96, Friday 96. Okay, Saturday 3 a.m. 96. Okay, 3 a.m. to 3 p.m. Saturday 3 a.m. to Saturday 3 p.m. How many? 96 divided by 2. How many? 48. Huh? Yes, 48. Okay, 624 up to 3 p.m. we got Saturday 3 p.m. From Saturday 3 p.m. to Saturday evening 5:15. How many? 2, 4 plus
Fine.
4, 8 plus 1, 9. Okay, 9. Right, 633 log backups and one tail log backup. Here you are going to get one full backup. Okay, 633 log backups and one tail log backup. But yes, no one will ask you how many log backups. But if you are clear, very clear, then it is very easy to understand the concept. Okay, otherwise interviewers, why? Because this is damn sure interview question. I just spent half an hour only on this assignment. Damn sure interview question. They will ask what is your organization backup strategy, and they will give you the scenario, and they will ask you how many backups you needed to restore the database with the differential, without differential. Damn sure, 99 percentage, this is damn sure interview question. People still are not responding, that is their own wish. Okay, right, fine. Right, so this is all about your full backup, differential backup, log backup, right? So let's discuss the copy only backup. Okay, copy, remember guys. Okay, if your log file is corrupted, if your log file is corrupted, can we take the log backup?
No.
No, it's not possible.
Until, yeah, from where it got corrupted until
Yes.
then we can take that, but after that we cannot.
Yes, okay. If the log file is corrupted, you cannot take the log backup, as well as you cannot take the tail log backup also. Okay, so this is also an important point. Okay, they will ask you to confuse. Right. So so how to take the log backup? It's simple. Okay, right. Employee, right click. Okay, tasks, backup. Okay, just choose transaction log, remove the old path, add the new path, browse it. Okay, so employee, right? Employee underscore tlog bkp tail log backup. Okay, underscore, try to include the date and time. Okay, try to include the date and time. Today's date is like around 3rd July, right?
Now,
0307.
Shan, you're just showing now as in
Okay.
manual way to UI, but after that you're gonna show the automation as well, right?
Yeah, of course, of course, of course. Okay,
Yeah,
the
right.
next concept is in automation only. Okay,
Okay.
0207-2021. Today is 3rd July or 2nd July?
Third.
Third
Third,
July.
sir.
Okay, that's fine. Okay, so 0307-2021. Okay, so one more important point is, if you are taking log backups for every 15 minutes, it is better to include the timestamp also. So usually, what is the time now? 8:36, right? 08 something like 8:36. Okay, 36 something like around 20 seconds. .trn. Okay, trn is the extension for the transaction log backups. But usually, if you see this number, okay, this is how you can see the real-time backups, T-log backups, transaction log backups. Okay, so if you see this number, don't worry. This number doesn't mean like the first number is the date. Okay, 3rd July 2021, and the second number is time. Okay, exactly at what time it is happening. Okay, just click OK, then click OK, then that's it. Okay, so nothing is there, so you can click OK, and you have a query also to take the log backup. What is the query to take the log backup? Backup log to disk is equal to file name. Okay, employee underscore tail log backup, right? Sorry, transaction log backup, right? You can mention it as translog bkp underscore. You can mention the date 03 yeah 0307 2021, okay, underscore might be 0837, okay, or 38. Now it is 38, right? 00 seconds dot trn. Okay, this is your log backup query. If it is a backup log, okay, database name, what is the database name? Employee, right? Employee. Backup log database name to disk is equal to file name dot trn. If it is a full backup, backup database name to disk is equal to file name dot bak. Okay, this is how we are going to take the log backup. Right, let's quickly discuss about the copy only backup. Okay, copy only backup. What is this copy only backup? Copy only backup means, okay, so in the middle of the week, this is how the strategy will be. Okay, you have to understand the strategy clearly, otherwise interviewers will confuse you. Okay, that's why I'm taking this much time. Okay, so this is the strategy. Every Sunday full backup, okay, every day differential backup, and every 15 minutes log backup, right? So in the middle of the week, someone comes to you, hey Param, can you please take the full backup of the employee database? Okay, can you please take the full backup of the employee database? Someone like on Thursday, someone asked, okay, Param to take the full backup. Okay, so as a DBA, okay, you cannot take the full backup in the middle of the week, which will disturb the differential backup chain. Then what I have to do, sir? I have to follow the customer instructions. I have to follow the client instructions. Client is asking full backup. What I have to do now? You can go with copy only full backup. Okay, so what is the difference between full backup and copy only full backup? I told you, right? Full backup will do two things. What are those two things?
Firstly, it will copy the whole log, everything, and secondly, it will amend the DCM files.
Sorry, it will do what? Why I'm getting
Hello.
this much of disturbance? 1 minute, please. Okay, why? Right now, tell me, honey.
Yeah, firstly, it will take the backup, and secondly, it will amend the DCM file so that
It will reset the
hello.
Guru Prasad, please mute yourself. Okay, yeah, Guru Prasad, there is a lot of disturbance from your side. I don't know why it is coming. Okay, yes, okay, right. So it will do two things as discussed. Okay, so first of all, it will take the backup of the whole database, including data files and log files. And the second thing is it will reset the DCM pages. So this is what a full backup will do. What a copy only full backup will do. Data wise, there is no difference between full backup and copy only full backup. Both are same. Not a single record difference also will be there. Okay, so data wise, backup wise, there is no difference between full backup and a copy only full backup. Then what is the difference? Okay, full backup will reset the DCM pages, whereas copy only full backup won't touch the DCM pages. Okay, full backup will reset the DCM pages. Sorry, full backup will reset the DCM pages, and copy only full backup won't touch the DCM pages. What is the advantage if it won't touch? Okay, see here, Thursday someone asked Param to take the full backup. Okay, just Param, like he just logged into the server and he took the full backup of employee database. That's fine. Okay, then what happened once Param took the full backup, okay, at Thursday, right? Once Param took the full backup at Thursday, from Thursday onwards, differential backups will be started, right? Usually, everyday differential backups are running. Everyday differential backups are running. On what basis differential backup will run? On the last successful full backup, right? Param took the full backup on Thursday as per the client requirement. Param took the full backup on Thursday for employee database. Okay. So what happened again? Differential backup chain will start from Thursday. Differential backup chain will start from Thursday. Then what about earlier days differential backups? What about Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday differential backup? This is the situation. Okay, so in this case what happened is, okay, the recent full backup. Param took the full backup, okay, and Param just gave the full backup to the customer, and Param deleted the full backup, the middle of the full backup. He took the full backup, right? So he just took the full backup and he gave it to the customer, and then customer is okay. Then Param deleted the recent full backup. Clear? Param deleted the Thursday's full backup. Right. Now the database is corrupted on Friday. Database is corrupted on Friday now. Now, in what ways you can achieve the restoration? How you can achieve the restoration in this scenario? I'll tell you again. Param took the full backup in the middle of the week, that is on Thursday. Okay. Param took the full backup in the middle of the week, that is on Thursday. And he deleted the full backup file. He took the full backup and he deleted the full backup file. Okay. Now database is corrupted on Friday. How you are going to achieve this situation? Is it clear? Honey, is this question clear?
Really,
Yeah.
I kind of didn't get it.
Okay, that's fine. Okay, every day, every Sunday, full backups are running. Clear, right? This point?
Yeah, yeah,
Yes, every day differential backups are running. Clear?
yeah.
Thursday, Param took the full backup in the middle of the week. Actually, as per automation, it will run on every Sunday. Okay,
Yeah,
and every differential backup will run on every day.
yeah.
Param, as per the client requirement, Param took the full backup in the middle of the week on Thursday. Clear? Clear? In the
Yeah.
middle of the week, Param took the full backup on Thursday. Okay, and again he deleted the full backup. Clear? This point is clear,
The
everyone?
one which he
Yes,
took on Thursday,
yes,
or
yes. On
okay.
Thursday, on Thursday, full backup he deleted.
Yeah.
Okay, everyone is clear, right? Right. Now the database is corrupted on Friday. Now the database is corrupted on Friday. How you can achieve this situation? Usually, if Param don't take the backup on Thursday, if the database is corrupted on Friday, you can use last full backup, last differential backup, and all the log backups after the last differential backup. But Param took the full backup on Thursday. Okay, and he deleted the manual full backup. Like what he took the full backup, he deleted that particular Thursday's full backup. So now the
But still,
database is
we'll follow
corrupted.
the same thing. We'll
We'll
follow the
follow the
same
same
thing.
thing.
Full backup, differential, and the rest of the log file, because he took the copy of full backup and that MDM file didn't get reset.
No, no,
because,
no, no,
you know,
no,
when
no. Please, please. I didn't mention copy only full backup. I just mentioned full backup only.
Okay.
Forget about copy only. Okay, I didn't jump into that copy only. He took the full
Right.
backup only. Normal full backup. Okay, now how we are going to deal this situation?
You will take from the previous full backup, sir.
Yeah, previous full backup and the differential and the rest of the log files.
Previous full backup, last Sunday full
Dif-
backup. Okay, fine.
Yeah.
And what differential backup he is going to use?
Until
Yeah, it will mismatch the LSN. After that, we can't restore the differential.
Okay, so in this scenario, what happened is last Sunday full backup will be there. Okay, but in case if you don't take copy only backup, okay, he can restore Thursday differential backup. But on Thursday he took the full backup. So imagine Param took the full backup on Thursday afternoon 1 o'clock. So again from 1 o'clock, Thursday differential backup will be generated. Okay, so Thursday differential backup won't work on last Sunday full backup. Thursday differential backup will be useful for the Thursday's
Thursday.
1 p.m. full backup. Okay, so in such case you cannot make use of the Thursday differential backup as Thursday full backup is deleted. Here the criticality is Thursday full. If Thursday full backup is not deleted, not an issue. You can restore Thursday full backup, after Thursday full backup, Thursday differential backup in case it is there, and you can restore all the log backup. But the problem here is, the criticality is, there is no Thursday full backup. But you cannot restore this Thursday full backup on last Sunday, like you know, right? Service packs cumulative updates. You cannot restore SP1 cumulative update on SP2 cumulative update, right? SP1 cumulative updates are specific, SP2 cumulative updates are specific. You cannot mix both, right? In the same way, the full backup and the transaction log backups and that particular what and that particular differential backup chain is separate, and again Thursday full backup, Thursday differential backup is separate chain. So you cannot mix both the chains. So in this case you cannot achieve the recovery. Okay, of course you can achieve in other ways, but the normal way it is not possible to achieve the recovery. So that's why, okay, in the middle of the week, if someone asked you to take the full backup, you cannot directly take the full backup. You can take the copy only full backup. What is the difference between full backup and copy only full backup? Copy only full backup won't reset the DCM pages. In this case, if Param took the copy only full backup, okay, even though if Param deleted that particular full backup, nothing will happen. The DCM, okay, plan will follow the last full backup. Okay, the DCM backup follow the last full backup. So no plan will be changed. Everything will be as usual. So in case in the middle of the week, otherwise if you don't understand anything till now, just remember this point. In case in the middle of the week, if someone asked you to take the manual full backup, don't take the manual full backup. Take the manual copy only full backup. If you don't understand this logic, just if someone asked you to take the manual full backup in the middle of the week, don't take it. Ask him, I have last week full backup, is it okay for you? Okay, in case no, I need a fresh full backup, then don't take fresh, I mean like full, don't take the full backup. Take the copy only full backup. Data wise there is no difference between a full backup and copy only backup, whereas copy only backup won't touch the DCM pages, so your differential backup chain won't be disturbed, whereas full backup will reset the DCM pages. Again a new differential backup chain will be started. So okay, so in the middle of the week, if someone is asking for a full backup, try to take the copy only full backup. Fine, right? I guess.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. So fine. So how to take the copy only full backup? It's very easy. Okay, right click. Same like full backup, you have to choose one option there. Backup, full backup. Make sure you choose full backup and select copy only backup. Okay, copy only full backup. Now remove it, add it, browse it, give the file name. Okay, employee underscore full copy only full. Okay, copy only full underscore 03072021.bak. Size wise, okay, nothing will be changed. Simply, okay, you have to, don't think like if you put copy only, it will take the copy only backup. You have to choose copy only option here. Okay, remaining everything is same, every option is same. So nothing to change. Okay, simply just click OK. This is how we'll generate the copy only full backup. Okay, why if if you have to take the manual full backup in the middle of